Okay, Thursday, January 27th, market crash 2022. Stock market crash 2022. Buy the dip, motherfucker. So yeah, we're trying to buy the dip here. It's what instrument are we going to use to get the most dip for our doodle? Well, it just quite hasn't cooked enough yet. We got to give it a little more time. It's 1:25 in the afternoon. So are we going to get this reversal? Everybody's biting their nails waiting on it. And which vessel are we going to use to catch our bounce back to VWAP? So basically, kind of like this is day four, one, two, three, and then today four falling down. So are we going to hold support here and then buy the dip? That's what we need to see. You know, what we might end up seeing is more of, I don't know if we're just going to get this straight V bottom. We might, but I mean, I think we might want to see a little bit more choppy and then take off, but it's hard to know. So yeah, I kind of called it there. That was a bit of a trap. We're just going to wait and see if we can build a bottom here. Gotta be patient, patient, patient. I guess while I've got you here, I might as well ask you to like it and share, subscribe, ring the notification bell, put me a thumbs up, leave some comments about what you really think. I do this in real time, every time. So are we building a bottom? So is it setting the ultimate trap, or is this? It's interesting. It's interesting. It's close, right? It's getting a bit of extra volume there. I don't know. They'll keep it on that view there. That's not too bad. We'll just jump back quickly to here. Now we'll see if it's going to do the old, yeah. Ha. Ha ha ha. Yeah, and the vessel that I'm thinking of using isn't, it's not, it is responding yet. It's just not, there's no pattern. You see, one of the problems is that when you have to wait for confirmation and your range is so tight, only going to the VWAP here, um, it you're running out of room here to make any profit. So it's almost like it gets to the point where you're like, I can't even take the trade really, because confirmation didn't come in until when. Okay, well, is this it? I don't know. This is a tough call here. It's a tough call here. You don't want to get too excited here. You got to give it its time here to do its chop thing, like this. See how it goes up, back, back, up, back, 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 and then we tighten, and then it'll snap, right? We've got to, but by then, you got to remember this was above VWAP here too, right? So we'll see what happens. We'll see this. See what I'm saying. Yeah, what I'm saying is the VWAP's constantly coming down, and our our original target's kind of losing um, losing profit here as it goes closer. So maybe it'll be a push through the VWAP, and then we'll shoot for 440. So good patience here. Yep, good patience, good patience. What I tell you? Now we're gonna, it continually wants to trap until it does the pop. Yeah, and here comes your chop. It's almost 3 o'clock. It's like seconds away from being 3 p.m. Um, is it gonna happen? I don't know. I don't think so. But stranger things have happened. It could just explode here anywhere. So tightening as predicted, or is it going to collapse? Interesting, interesting. Ooh, the drama unfolds. This is, I love how it traps everybody. This is perfect. Think about it like when you can't take it anymore, it will turn around. It's exactly like, oh, how does it know that I'm buying, that I bought it there, and then it turns around right in my face? It does. It's perfect. So think about it when you're doing what you're doing and watch it turn around. Well, you got to be quick. I almost questioned it. This is the right spot. I'm not sure. We're just about at 330. We got 327. Shit, I'm missing it. So is it going to hold and go from here? This is a key, the pivot point. There we go. There's that farther out picture. That's that same thing zoomed in, sorry. There it is again. Now, will it hold? This, dang it, it's getting, so good times here. It looks like it might break here. While we were waiting, I took the other trade, and our choice was LCID, the lucid stock. Let's see if we can get it to go back to VWAP. And I thought we had it all figured out here. It's still undeciding. It's indecision time here. Well, that was nail biting. I almost thought we were going to get stopped out there. Wow. But here we go. And here comes the buying. Hopefully this will push through and we'll make our way back up to that VWAP. Look at her. Go, 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 baby. We got 17 minutes to go before the bell. So we're going to get on to the main. There we go there. We've got our move to go to the VWAP. Go, baby, go. That's a 0.5% now. Some may think it's random. I see it as organized chaos. Yeah, I'm going to want to move that stop up and save as much as we can. Does sound a little petty, but I mean, that's a $50 win if we can get it. Do we want to give it more room? Well, it looks like it might break down here. It's a good thing to pay attention to both of these like this. Hopefully we can get a good push here. Almost thinking about raising it up and locking in more. We do have some distance to get to 30, it's about $30 here. So we got another $1 of move before we get to that VWAP. I don't know if I like that wick tail candle there. That might be the top for now. Or we're going to get a good push on it. Yes, go. I'm going to move that stop up just a hair tighter. Yeah, so every 5 cents in the money is $50. So now we're 10 cents. That stop's 10 cents in the money, that trailing stop. 12 minutes to go. Yeah, do we just want to take profit? Money is money. To let this come all the way back, I don't know. It's pulling back pretty hard now. So was our choice correct to make $100 here on this trade? I don't know. It's a tough call, right? We're running out of time. There's only 12 minutes left before the bell. Here's the whole move on the SPY here. So it's going to want to pull back and probably catch support here, hopefully, and then make it back up to the VWAP. But it's a tough call. We got 11 minutes to go before the bell. Looks like that trailing stop was just in the right spot, so that's a positive note. So that might be a little late, but it put a sell limit up there at $29 flat. If it goes back up there, we're going to take half the position off. It might have been a little bit late. I should have done that already. Shoot. Yeah, shit, there's the stop out. So always remember to close your positions. You don't need them hanging around. So, there you go. There's a trade. Lucid stock. There it is there. $100 profit. $10 on the round trip there. $5 in, $5 out. $100 profit. I don't know. Not a lot of people are making money today, but I mean, we could have made a little bit more on that. And I bet if we had been a little bit more patient, we might have been able to get more. But I mean, there's 9 minutes until the bell closes here. Yeah, so basically that's how I kind of did that. I use the S&P for the pattern recognition. Yeah, we do it in real time every time. It's definitely not what you trade, it's how you trade it. 5 minutes left in the day. I'll just finish this out. You see what? You see what I mean about taking profits? Here it is now, pulling way back. So there it is. There it is, pulling back there. Right there it is. There, tighter. There's that chop. Like I thought, the VWAP's going to come right back down to it. It's 2 minutes to the close here. So what's going to happen overnight? It'll pop up. You know what I mean? It'll do the opposite of what you think. But I don't know, right? I am just taking a guess. I'm not going to bet money on that, but I mean, if you think it's going to go down, it probably will go up. And that's all yeah. Well, there's your close. We can all take our own opinions about where it's going to go in the after hours, but I'm going to probably shut her down from there and say like, share, subscribe, because without those subscriptions, you definitely won't get those high fives, and if you don't wait for those patterns, you won't get your high fives either until the next bounce.